my body feeling miserable, always hanging on to the visual. I wanna be invisible, looking at my years like a martyrdom. Everybody needs to be a part of them, never be enough, I'm the prodigal son. I was born to run, I was born for this. With